Hey you guys, welcome to Dittmar Recreation Center. I am Lauren and today we're going to be making Puffy Paint. Alright, so your ingredients are foam, glue, food coloring, and you need 1/4 measuring cup, 1/2 cup measuring cup, popsicle stick for stirring, and some paper and paint brushes for later, and also a bowl. So first you're going to put 1/2 cup of shaving cream. All right, then you need 1/4 cup of glue. Pour that into the bowl. And the direction says fold. And you want to make sure the air stays in with the shaving cream so it can come out puffy. Then you get your food coloring. You're going to put 8 to 10 drops. Alright, I'm gonna keep going until I don't see any more of the white. I think that's good enough. Then we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try to paint. So I already made green, I have yellow, so I was thinking the green could be the grass and my yellow can be my sun. And there you have it, the puffy paint. Thank you.